Hello, I'm Dr. Jacob A. Chapon, and this is the second part of how to maximize longevity. Remember, 4 dimensions, one genome, the other is the life management principles, and that was discussed. We are now going to be talking about regenerative medicine and nanotechnology, and we're going to be talking about preventive medicine. Okay, we're on our way. The regenerative medicine, remember, mesenchymal stem cells. Well, before I say that, I want to say go to my website, uspmed.com, and you will find the definitions and dimensions of understanding of what I'm going to be talking about now in the content and my videos there on these dimensions that we're talking about now. But I'm sort of almost like summarizing. I am summarizing. So, regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is the hope of the future. Remember that. And the first concept that I want you to understand is that mesenchymal stem cells, or the stem cells that you actually, or the cells that make up the body, can be developed into embryonic stem cells, which can become any tissue. That's the hope of the future. So, these stem cells can literally rejuvenate the body. Rejuvenate the body in many ways by literally putting in new cells into the body in every way. And these cells, these same embryonic stem cells, can be put in what is called bioprinters. And these bioprinters can literally print out organs which can be placed into individuals. I'm talking about heart, kidneys, etc. So that is the hope of the future. And what will that do? The idea that as one ages, that telomeres diminish. Well, by these stem cells, the telomeres will be new again. They will be as if you were born again. So understand that increasing the size of the telomeres does increase life expectancy. So remember, all this is on my website, so go under that section and you will understand these things. Not that you don't now, but you will get a clearer understanding of it. So, how does nanotechnology enter that? Well, nanotechnology deals, again, as we said, in literally dimensions that are 60,000 times smaller than a human hair. That is 1 nanometer. We're going to be dealing in 200 and 300 nanometers. Imagine. We'll be able to enter cells. We'll be able to place good genes in there that we know are good genes, like the longevity gene, the Ashkenazi gene, whatever. And we will be able to also knock out bad genes. Imagine what that will do for longevity. So the future is bright in regenerative medicine. Understand that. Okay, I want to go on to the 4th dimension. The 4th dimension is that of preventive medicine. Preventive medicine is an important area. Don't forget it. We have to begin the process of understanding why preventive medicine. I'm going to speed this up a little. why preventive medicine? Because of the fact that every day we are involved with what is called oxidative stress. And what that means is that we are, by just being in our environment, we're getting stressors from the air, we're getting stressors from the environment, we're getting stressors from our food, oxidants from our food. We are basically, oxidative stress also comes about through just breathing. We develop oxidants. And these oxidants are what destroys DNA, what ages, what creates problems. This oxidative stress will be is an important factor. And we're going to discuss more of that and what to do about that in preventive medicine. So, where are we and what is our health, considering all of these stressors that have come into play here? So we need to have a center that you can go to that will give you a history, physical, diagnostics, a diagnosis, and stratify you as to what your health is, where you are relative to your health. Risk stratification. Then what we will do is give you a program that will eliminate that risk stratification, primarily with mindset, diet, exercise, etc. But I want to add a dimension to that. Oh yeah, we're just not sitting here, you know. I want to add a dimension to that. I want to add the dimension of regenerative medicine that will be affiliated with those centers. And that will be the final frontier that will increase the lifespan of humans. So remember the 4 dimensions: nanotechnology, the dimensions of life management principles, the dimension of regenerative medicine, and, see, I did it again. I remember genome life management principles, regenerative medicine, and nanotechnology. Remember preventive medicine, those 4 dimensions, that's the key to longevity. Follow with our books, follow with our uspmed.com, follow with the centers that we will be getting involved with. This is a very positive thing. Thanks so much for listening. I hope you had patience. All right, over and out.